dear friends, Mrs. Duffy Mundwa, Chairperson, International Network of Women for Democracy and Peace. I'm truly humbled by the confidence you have expressed in me by granting me the Victoire Ingabire Umuhoza Prize for Democracy and Peace. This award is very special to me, and I believe for most Rwandans, for one particular reason. Victoire Ingabire Umuhoza dared dream what has never happened in Rwanda before. Going back to the days of kings and queens, on to post-colonial period, Rwanda, our country, has never experienced transfer of power peacefully. Each regime that has come to power tries to cling on and then is removed by brute force by the next one. That's what happened to the first regime, tried to cling, removed. The second regime tried to cling, removed. And then the current one is repeating that history again. The current one is a dictatorship that has closed off all avenues of peaceful transfer of power. So then here was Ingabire, who said, well, we have to do it differently. I'm going to Rwanda to compete. And my dream is competition for better ideas that should determine the transfer of power. Of course, we know that on arrival, she was arrested and she remains in prison. But I think the regime is badly mistaken. What stands for will never erased. What she stands for is, like I said, peaceful transfer of power. There is no reason why Rwanda would always remain a dictatorship. There's no reason why Rwanda is not predetermined or preordained to remain a dictatorship, country of strong men. So that was her dream, the dream to change that. And that dream, no one can take it away. So in honoring me with this award, I'm really humbled. I haven't done much beyond sharing that same idea that it's possible to fight, to demand for democracy peacefully. So I do promise you one thing. By this honor you've given me, I'll keep on fighting peacefully. Fighting peacefully sounds contradictory, but by this we mean writing, voicing a voice, supporting those who are like Victoire, who are imprisoned for their beliefs. So Really, I say thank you very, very, very much indeed for giving me this award. Thank you again. Bye-bye.